Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. I'm about to let y'all see my Casio collection for 2020. I'm not really for sure. It may expand over this year because there's a couple pieces that I want to get from Casio, a couple G-Shocks. But we're going to go through each watch one by one. And I'm going to give you the reference number and give you my opinion of the watch. You understand? So let's get into it. Ross Wristwatch Love. Okay, people, first of all, Casio is definitely one of the boss watch companies in the world with all different lines and collections, all right? With the G-Shock being one of the best in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and go through and give you a glimpse of my collection and let y'all see what's up. Starting with this Casio MRW-200H, the red version. Now, I've seen this in black. I think I've seen it in blue and different colors. But I don't know if the red is like damn near extinct because I don't see too many red ones anymore. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all could let me know in the comment section, you know what I mean, if the red is extinct or rare or whatever, I would appreciate it. But as you can see, this has a day-date complication. You know what I mean? And of course, it got the resin strap with the black buckle. And I think it's nice. You know what I mean? I had this for a couple years. You know, it's a great piece. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and move along. Next one. All right. This is the Casio A158-W. This is actually a vintage watch that was released in 1980s. In 1980, that is. And there it is right there. You know what I'm saying? Totally working. You know what I mean? Old as hell. You know, very, very vintage. And it's amazing that Casio has watches. Yes, they do have watches that has lasted this long. You understand what I'm saying? But with that being said, I actually had did a video with this watch when my daughter went to prom with her friends, but I never did release it. But maybe I released that one day, you know what I mean? It's like a spoof video of me like spying on her prom or whatever, but maybe I'll release it one day. But this is the second watch on the list. The next watch on the list can really be considered a reissue of the first one, but it has a different bracelet and it's a little bit bigger in size. And this is the Casio A158-W. Right there. Another great looking watch, you know what I mean? Casio, especially like they digital stuff. If you go digital, you definitely need to go Casio. You know what I mean? The only thing I don't like about their cheaper watches is sometimes the bracelets are a little flimsy. That's why a lot of times I settle for the resin. And if I can, without spending so much money, put a NATO strap on it. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to put a NATO strap on this. Maybe blue or green or something like that. But we're going to get into it. And that is the Casio A158-W. The next one is one of my favorite Casios, and I was actually able to put a freaking NATO strap on it, and that is the Casio W218H, the Illuminator. Yo, great freaking watch. As you can see, I put it on a NATO strap, and it looked fly as hell. You understand what I'm saying? Look at that. You can't tell me that that is not fly, yo. That is fly as hell. Understand me? You know what I mean? I love this watch. I wear this watch frequently. I frequently post it on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Speaking of Instagram, if y'all ain't following me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Get with the times. Follow your boy on Instagram, Ross Wristwatch Love, and it's on and popping. You understand? But that is the Illuminator. All right? Casio W218H. Next on the list is a watch that I actually found in a shoebox, believe it or not. And I forgot that I actually had it, okay? And this is the Casio MRW-200H. I've had this watch for a few years. You know what I mean? This was a one-time beater watch of mine that I wore all the time, like to work, and you know, I even wore it to some functions. You know what I mean? But I really like the look and the aesthetic of this, the square body on it. You know what I mean? And again, it's in the resin. So, you know, great freaking watch right there. All right. Next is one I just got. All right. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting this. The nickname for this watch is the Casio Royale. You know what I mean? But it's the Casio World Time. You know what I mean? Get into it. Get into it. See that? See that right there? Yeah. The Casio World Time. I really, really dig this watch. I took the strap off. As you can see, the resin strap, and I got a NATO strap put on it. And the NATO strap definitely make this piece looks 100% better. You know what I mean? What y'all think, yo? What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? I did do an unboxing video on this, so go check that out. You know what I mean? But what y'all think about this Casio World Time? I didn't opt for the metal version because I wasn't really feeling it. But now I want to kind of get the metal version so I can put a NATO strap on it. So that'll be what I do next. All right. Now let's get into some G-Shocks. Okay. First we're gonna get into Casio G-Shock GA100. Okay. Bang. There it is. I actually need to reset this, but you know what I'm saying? There it is. Casio GA100. Freaking nice looking piece. Check that out. You know what I mean? And of course, it's kind of big on the wrist, but it's totally worth it. You know what I mean? Great freaking watch. Get into it, y'all. Now, this next one is a G-Shock. And I think this may be a rare one because I haven't seen it. I saw it on Amazon one time, priced like $150. You know what I mean? And somebody bought that one. But it's the G-Shock WD 6900. No, WD 6900 CS Tough Culture Limited Edition. You know what I'm saying? The thing I really like about this watch is the colorways on it. You got the blue face with the purple lining around it. Then you got the G-Shock in purple, blue on the side, and the purple with the G in the middle green. Like the colorway and white. It's all white. The colorway on this thing looks great. You know what I mean? I love the way this look. You know what I mean? This is a watch that I wear often. You know what I'm saying? So this is the G-Shock limited edition. And if y'all know something about this, because I couldn't really find nothing on it. Is this a rare piece or not? I don't know. So let me know down in the comment section. The next one is kind of a similar watch, but then again, it's not. You know what I mean? Because it's the Casio G-Shock WD 9052. All right. I haven't worn this in a while. This one I haven't worn in a while. You know what I mean? But I think I'm about to put it back in rotation. You know what I'm saying? For 2020. And again, it's a great looking watch. You know what I mean? Look at that. Check that out. That's it right there. That's a great looking watch. You know what I mean? Turn that light on for y'all right quick. I should have turned the light on for the Tough Culture, but they're gonna light for that one. You understand? So, you know, great looking piece right there. All right, now the next G-Shock is my classic, my OG G-Shock. Okay, OG G-Shock. Did a video running this watch over with my car. You understand what I'm saying? And it's still ticking and clicking. You understand? The Casio G-Shock WD 5600C. Still clicking and ticking. Ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? I had this thing for years. And as you can see, it's beat the hell up. But I keep this one in rotation. You know what I'm saying? I think a lot of times, like, people take for granted that when your watches are beat up that, you know, they are aesthetically not pleasing, but I feel different. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a watch like this has some character. And if it lasts that long, you pass it on to your family members. And, you know what I'm saying, they'll understand the hard work you put in over the years. You know what I'm saying, when they look at the watch. So, that's that Casio G-Shock. And I also have another one in a different colorway. But it's the same one, the DW5600C right here. This is the newest one that I got. Like that. So, that's it, y'all. That is my G-Shock collection. You know what I mean? So, let y'all get a good look at the case. It's 11 Casio watches, 5 G-Shocks right there. Bang! You feel me? There it is. So, you know. This your boy P. Ross. You know what I'm saying? Get into it. You know, check out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast. We doing big things this year. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, I'm out. Hit me on Instagram. You know, I'll leave a link down in the description and all that. It's your boy P. Ross. And I'm out. Peace.